In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then do exactly the same to the second one and open background apps. Now it's time to decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!